everyone, today I'm bringing you another recipe from my beloved country of Romania. We are going to be cooking the very versatile polenta or mamaliga, which is how we know it in Romania. We eat this delicious dish with almost anything like meat, fish, fried eggs, cooked vegetables and cheese. If you are interested in more recipes like this one, don't forget to click on subscribe so that you receive notifications when my next recipe is published. I don't want to keep you waiting, let's start. For this delicious and easy polenta recipe, we need the following ingredients. 3 cups of water, 1 cup of cornmeal. I will suggest to use the coarse ground cornmeal. I've tried it with medium ground, but it is just not the same. 1 tablespoon of butter and salt to taste. Pour the water into a medium-sized pot. Add a pinch of salt and bring it to a boil. When the water starts boiling, we add the butter. And we stir for a bit. Now we lower the fire to low and start adding the cornmeal. Do this slowly and carefully so that you don't burn yourself. We stir and mix well so that it does not form any lumps. And cover it. Let it cook for about 20 minutes or until done. The best way to check if it's ready is to try it. If it is soft, it's done. If the grain is still a bit hard, then let it boil a minute or 2 more. Stir now and then to avoid sticking to the pot and be very careful not to burn yourself. By the end, you really have to stir vigorously to keep it smooth and creamy and to keep it from forming any lumps. It is all ready now. Turn off the fire and let it set for a couple of minutes before serving. Again, you can serve this dish with vegetables, meat, fish, eggs, cheese. Let your imagination fly. Thank you for watching and I will see you next week. Bye bye.